Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to settings, then go to the sound section, and then select phone ringtone. So here you can see some of these pre-installed ringtones. You can also add your own ringtone by tapping add ringtone. Here you can select any audio file which you have downloaded on your device and set it as your ringtone, but unfortunately I have none of them, so I'm gonna just select one of the pre-installed ones. So you can listen to some of them. Okay, I think this one is the most chill, could be this one. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.